We're checking the Providence area. Let's continue our Team 10 coverage. Molly Levine, she's driving around with her
trying to drive around.
Yeah.
Yes, Molly, at one point you guys had to stop, right?
Yeah, I mean, Alice and Mario pretty much stopped right now. If anything, we're going 4 miles per hour on the highway. We're on Route 10 heading towards 95. We just passed the Atwells Avenue exit. Let's turn the camera around so we can see what we're looking at. These are whiteout conditions. We're heading towards downtown now. It's hard to see. It's really hard to see out there. The visibility is extremely poor. This is why there is a travel ban in effect for essential workers only. We have right now our flashers on and we're moving so slowly. But if you're a nurse or doctor or essential worker trying to get to work this morning, you need to do so at a very slow pace. Snail's pace at this point is what we're driving. You can barely see out the windshield here, so definitely important to take it slow if you do need to, for whatever reason, go out this morning. We're now looking at, you can kind of see the exit signs, 195 and 95, or you're going towards downtown see, this is hard to see exactly what we're talking about here. It's extremely difficult to see. We're going to probably head towards downtown at this point, maybe get back to the area where it's, right downtown, so you're right there and you know that the plows are going around. So yeah, I'll send it back to you as we try to navigate off the highway now.
Oh.